Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to create this look right here, and it's all drugstore. It's inspired by the Maybelline collaboration with Shayla, the City Mini palette, which looks like this. It's a beautiful palette. That's what it looks like right here. So, and this is the look that I came up with. So the lashes are Kiss brand, and I'll show you in a video what it looks like. It's a beautiful, I love them, and I didn't even have to trim them, which is the good thing. They like fit perfectly in my eye. The lip color that I have on is one of the Wet n Wild liquid catsuit lipsticks. This is the new one. This is the metallic one, and that's what it looks like. See, and I picked up another one too, and I haven't even opened it yet. So, you know, you can go either way with the look. So it really doesn't matter. So I really hope that you liked the tutorial. Oh, and everything that I used is drugstore. So I even used some brushes that was from the drugstore, mainly e.l.f. Maybe one or two. I couldn't find that I could use for the face for this beautiful face. So I really hope, just remember to hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And without further ado, let's get with the tutorial. Hey everyone. Alright, so let's get started. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I already have moisturized my face. I'm going to go ahead and prime. I'm going to take the NYX Born, I don't know if you can see it, my lighting is Born to Glow Illuminating Primer. I'm going to go ahead and prime. Take about that much. I'm gonna prep my lips too, because it's been so dry here in PA. So this will help so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the new Wet n Wild foundation. I'm really excited for this. This is in the color 372C Desert Beige. Go ahead and give that a mix. I don't know how I like this applicator, but smells like paint. I don't know if I like that smell. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take the e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm also going to spray it a little bit just to give this a little bit, like shear it out a little bit. And I'm gonna take the Maybelline Master Fix. Just gonna spritz my brush real quick. Then I'm going to try the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is in light. I'm really excited about this concealer. So I used to use this way back in the day, and I just fell in love with it again. So and then I am going to take the foundation buffing brush from e.l.f. I'm just gonna go ahead and just gonna take my e.l.f. setting powder. This is in Soft Luminous. And I'm just gonna pour some in my little cup. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild, and this is in color tan beige, and I'm just gonna set the rest of my face. Then what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I have to spray my face with some setting spray, only because I feel like I get dry underneath here. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. bronzer, and this is in deep bronze, and it looks like this. And I'm going to take a mixture of these two here, and I'm going to take my e.l.f. mineral brush. Looks like this. And I'm just going to take these two. And I just went in with the lighter one, and I'm just gonna contour my nose. Just brush it on there. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with, I have so many blushes here, I don't know what to use. So I think with the look that I'm going for, I'm gonna go with the Milani blush, and this is in Pink Play. It's really, really pretty. Looks like this. And then this is the Echo Tools brush. Highlighter, I'm really torn on which one to use. So I got the Maybelline Chrome, and then I got the Milani one. This one's really good. This one's in Sunlight #1. So it looks like this. It's really pretty. It has like the nice little glow. Let's see if we can, there we go. It has a nice little glow. There we go. Looks just like that. Has like your rosy, your bronze, and then your sheer. For brows, I'm going to use the Ultra Precise brush. Can you see that? From e.l.f. This is probably one of the best drugstore eyebrow pencils there is out there. I like how it's like nice and see what it looks like, and I just dropped everything. So I'm gonna take the Milani Clear Brow. So now, for the star of the show, I'm really glad that I got my hands on this. This is the Maybelline The City Mini palette with the collaboration with Shayla. And I'm so glad that I got my hands on it. This is what it looks like. I'm like really excited for this. This was the last one, so you know I had to get myself one. So I'm looking at it and I'm like, what am I gonna do? So we'll find out what we're gonna do. This is the Beauty by Rosita brush. Don't mind it right there. Kinda, I don't know what I did right there. So I'm gonna go in with this color and I'm gonna go all over in the crease with that. And the thing I'm gonna do is take this color right here and I'm gonna go all over the lid, and I'm gonna use, this is an e.l.f. I think it's like the C brush. So the e.l.f. crease brush, and I'm just gonna go in with the same color here, and I'm gonna just clean that off real quick so there's no harsh lines. Then I'm gonna take the black and I'm just gonna go and deepen the outer edges just a little bit, and I'm gonna take the detail crease brush, which is smaller. So this is the crease brush, that's what it looks like, and this is the detail crease brush. See how much smaller it is? So this one is, I love this brush. This is probably one of my favorite brushes. So go back in with the original color and just buff that out. What I do is take this gold and go in the inner corners. Take another, this is another e.l.f. C brush, and then I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I'm gonna highlight underneath the brow bone. I'm gonna go in with the burgundy color with the crease brush. And then I feel like underneath my brow bone just needs a little oomph. So I'm gonna take the Milani, and then I'm just gonna take a mixture of these two and just go underneath the brow bone. Then I'm gonna use, this is the Lash Paradise. Then I'm gonna take my NYX Wonder Pencil, and this is in, doesn't say, oh, medium, and I'm just gonna, on my waterline, I'm gonna do it like this. So the lashes that I'm gonna put on, I found these and I was like, these are the Kiss lashes, and they're in Sultry, and they're beautiful, they're nice and wispy. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop those on. There we go. Nice and pretty, huh? So for lippies, I don't know what to use because I have a lot of them. I picked up these two new ones. These are from the Wet n Wild Catsuit, which are my favorite. So I have one metallic and one new, the new liquid lipsticks. This one is called Behind the Bleachers, and then this one is called Ride on My Copper. Ride on My Copper. So I mean, you can actually go both with this one. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna try this one. This one looks fun. Use this. This is Georgiana. It's called Rock and Rose. I don't know if you can find that out here. I found it in Arizona when I lived there. So of course I had to grab like 80 of them because they're freaking awesome. I found them at Walgreens. Oh, this is fun. It's nice and metallic-y. Thank you for joining me on this video. I had a lot of fun creating this look. Remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Hugs and kisses. Bye. Hello,